last day, 2022 Pennsylvania rifle season. It's about 8:15 a.m. It's cold. First day, I'm sitting in stand that I'm actually cold. Weather app is saying 22 degrees, real feel 14. Kind of expected to see something by now. No shooting whatsoever anywhere near us. Geese are flying over, as you saw. But we're gonna pull an all day here. See if we can see anything.
Hopefully it's not all day. I'd rather shoot something early and go home.
Going home with meat would be good. Alright, last afternoon sit, last day, 2022 rifle season. It was cold as balls this morning. As I said earlier, I think it was 22, real feel 14. So I expected them to be moving. They weren't moving. We heard no shots, or little shots, very few shots. There's a quad down in the field down there. So we're gonna see what we can do for the last 3 hours. It's about 2 o'clock. We're hoping something comes through. Right over there. Can you see? Where am I pointing here? Yeah, right there. It's all that thick shit. It's where they all love to hang out. It's a nice bedding area. We don't disturb it. Field down there. Same place we've been hunting all year. Got 1 buck. Small doe. See what happens. If we don't get one today, we may come up for late season archery. If we don't, we'll see you next year. All right, guys. Well, yesterday was the last day of rifle here in Pennsylvania. We got an emergency phone call. Little man, little Steve, you know him. He was rushed to the emergency room. He had 104 point something fever and was unresponsive. Got him to the right place. He's actually really good now. Nothing to worry about. But we left the stand early, ended our season. You know, that's what family does for family. Love the little guy. But here we got, we're up in the woods, not hunting. We're gonna pull some SD cards, see what we got, see what's running around for the last week or two. And this will be the start of our videoing. Showing you guys videos of our trail cameras. I got Brandon right now. He's over here checking the card. It's amazing. This is our first snowfall. First real snowfall up here. I love the snow. Look at how beautiful this is. So let's check it out. Let's see what's on these video cards, and we'll go from there. We do have late season coming up. That's archery or flintlock here in Pennsylvania. I think that's the day after Christmas, December 26th. See what happens with that. That could be awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching.
Racking and reeling here for another fantastic video. Round 2. Another cold day.